Hello guys, welcome back. How you guys are doing? I hope everyone is doing fine and learning great. So today's in this video we are going to learn about rigging. So this video I will teach you the basics and very fundamentals of rigging. First question arises, what is rigging? So in simple words, rigging is just giving controls to animator to animate any 3D objects. So for example, this object we can animate it from here. Oops. Okay, so we can animate directly the object. Going here, select the frame to another frame, put the put the animation keys there, then go other frame, put it back here, put another keys there. So now this is animated. But this is not good. This is wrong because we cannot animate and we should not animate the direct polygonal object. We need to give the animator a controller from where they can control this thing, any of uh, any of the 3D object, so give they can animate it from its controller. Not they should not be animating directly the geometry. That's totally wrong. So let's start a very basic rigging class for today. So today is what we are going to take our object. Uh, so we should go for Windows, go for the content browser, and you can see under the modeling example, under the modeling we have quite few different 3D models which is provided by this software, Autodesk software itself. So I hope you guys have anything like this. Go to the prop section, select any of the geometry because this is just a basic thing. So let's just rig this can. Select this, either you can import it, create reference, or you can double click it. It will come into your scene. So it's too big. Scroll down and go to your outliner and check how many meshes you got it here. Just one mesh is T polygonal surface. First of all, any model come, you should be checking for its name. Its name should be appropriate. This is a dustbin can or just can, whatever, and they should not be renamed as a polygonal surface. So or rename it or give this to the model back and say to rename it, give me proper names. So for today, just name it as can. So first of all, we should not be scaling down whatever the scale is fixed for us. Just for this video, we can scale it for our convenient. We have now scale in it. We can freeze transform it. This is the part of cleaning up your mess. You should not be having any history here while creating this geometry. If you are having there, then go to edit, go to delete by type history. Then it will just clean your history for the selected object. If you go to delete all by type history, then it will clean history all from all of your scene from each and every object. So be careful, choose wisely. So today we are just going to do this cleanup. History is just for history, so it's not going to do anything with the scale. First thing you run that, and then second thing, go to modify, come here for the third section, freeze transformation. Click on the checker box, you see translate, rotate, scale. These are okay. We just need to scale. It's okay, whatever this is, let it be, and click on the freeze transformation. And you can see there is no more scaling remains here. It's just reset back to its scale 1. Now press the W for your translation gizmo and check it is on the grid or not. So it's not on the grid, so you can just fix it manually, drag it up, put it on the grid. It should not go under the grid. That's not ideal for uh, the rigging or the animation scenario. Animator always want this, uh, the object should be on the grid. So now the geometry is up, it has something here, translation here. So again, go for modify, freeze transformation is done, but the pivot is here. You can do manually shift and snap your pivot here, as I already taught you this thing how to snap it, or you can just simply go to modify, go to second option, reset transformation. What it does, it just reset your pivot to the grid. Click it, it will give your cursor, give your gizmo transformation back to its grid. That's how we want it. So in this video, we are going to learn just for basic rigging. So just for basic controller, no more fancy controllers. So this is just a prop we use in background, or maybe somewhere is laying down, rolling around. So we just need one controller for this. Until and unless we have requirement to have controller, we are going to rig it here in very basic manner. So I will teach you two methods. In two ways we can rig it, and of course it will be it and of course it will be the clean rig. So you come under here in the curve section. If you find it here, go to the curve self, you select this ring, nerve circle. We are using this nerve circle as a controller. Click it. You can see here it will come on the grid. As you can see, it's very small. So either you can increase its size by pressing up long right mouse button, go to control vertex, now drag select everything, press the R button for scaling and drag it and scale it. The size which you want, it can be easily seen. This size is pretty good. And the second method to scale it, just select your controller. It's a new controller, so it should having input. Go to the input, open it up, expand it, and go to the radius section and increase how much you want it to be. So I guess 7 is good here. 7 is good here. So now the naming section, don't forget to name your controller all the time. So this controller I'm making for the can, so we can safely name it can, whatever name you can see, CTRL, or maybe CTL, anything, enter. So we have now controller and we have now geometry. How now this controller is going to drive this geometry? So first method is just click the geometry, click the controller, press P button. So it will automatically go inside it. So now is a parent child connection. So you can select the controller and move around the controller, and you can select the geometry and see there is no values come in the geometry. So it's good for the render, for the next process, for exporting as Alembic and everything. So this is one method. So take it out now, select this, shift P, it will come out from the controller. Now the most preferable method is, so as you can see we have values here in both, so we can drag select this, drag select this, you can see all are highlighted, and press 0, enter. This will come on the grid. This is clean now. So one of the other method how it can control the geometry. So just select the controller first, second press the shift, second select the can, or you just control select the can. So first always select your controller, second select your can, the geometry, and it will be highlighted like the first selection will be white and the second selection will be green. So now is you made this kind of selections. Okay, change this. If you are in any other tab, go to the rigging, select rigging, then go to constraint, go to come here, select the box and check everything is okay. Edit, reset transformation, check is default, it should be default. And now click on the add button. As soon as I put the add button, you can see there is a constraint coming under the can geometry. And as you can see, it's now connected. It's all the translations and rotations are now connected for the controller. So now again, you can see, select the controller, drag it around. Now again, it's moving, rotate it. It's rotating in all directions. So how it is connected, translation and rotation, everything is working as same as we are moving our controller. And the good thing about is we are selecting the controller, but the can is not getting selected. That's a good thing. That's how we wanted it. Now go to select all the things, zero it out, press enter. So one more thing, we also need to do the scale constraint. So again, select the controller, shift select the geometry, and both are selected. Then again go to the constraint. Earlier we have done the parent constraint. You can see parent constraint is already exist there. Now we need also a scaling. So go to again the box. You should have turned on the maintain offset or just edit, reset it. It's not coming, then click it. Then it should turn off these manual settings and add it. So you can see now scale is also again connected. The second constraint come as a scale constraint. Now you can scale it too. You can move it around, in rotate around any directions, and now you can also scale it. Go. So now this is just basic rig. There's a lots more thing to do here. For example, we need to have a separate group for the geometry. We should be having one more group for the controller. So this is not a neat, but this is for the beginner and for the learning the basic of rigging. This is just a first step. Now we are just getting warming up. So I hope you find this video useful. Please like and say subscribe. That's all for this video. Keep practicing. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.